Speech services by Google downloading English's update waiting for network connection. If your phone's showing a notification that cannot be closed about downloading a language update for speech services by Google, which is waiting for network connection even though your phone is connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. In this video, I will show you 2 methods to fix speech services downloading English update waiting for network connection problem. So let's get started. Method 1. The notification is related to the speech services by Google, which is used for text-to-speech features on your phone and apps, like Google Maps voice calls accessibility features and other apps. To fix the problem you need to go Settings. Now go to Google. Then Settings for Google Apps. Tap on Search Assistant and Voice. Tap on the Voice option. Select Offline Speech Recognition. Choose the Auto Update. Tap on the Auto Update Languages at any time option. Confirm that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, then go back to the Installed tab. Tap on the language that is not updating English us in this case. Press the Update button, restart your phone, and this will fix speech services by Google downloading English us update waiting for network connection. Method 2. To fix speech services by Google downloading English us update waiting for network connection, you can simply uninstall and reinstall the speech services by Google app from the Play Store. Remember that any settings related to text-to-speech services may be reset in the process. Go to Google Play Store. Search for speech services by Google. Now you need to uninstall and then reinstall the app again. So this how to fix speech services by Google downloading English us update waiting for network connection. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget hit the like button.